Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka and this is the digital platform of Competition Academy. I hope you all are healthy, fit and fine. So this is a PYQ session for Wildlife Sanctuary. Let's get started with the first question. Your first question is the wildlife sanctuary in Chhattisgarh is Chhattisgarh में वन्य जीव अभयारण्य हैं. Your options are option number A 5, B 6, C 9 and D 11. So the right answer will be D 11. Total number of wildlife sanctuary in Chhattisgarh is 11. Okay, moving on to the next question. In which district of Chhattisgarh Sita Nadi Sanctuary is located? Sita Nadi Sanctuary छत्तीसगढ़ के किस जिले में स्थित है? योर ऑप्शंस आर ए महासमुंद, बी धमतरी, सी दंतेवाड़ा एंड डी बिलासपुर. लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन. दिस इज फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन in 2017 ACF and Assistant Teacher 2023. The right answer will be Sita Nadi is located in option number B, Dhamtari. You can remember this as Sita Dham. Which Dham? Sita Dham. Sita Nadi, Dhamtari. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 3 is in which district Udyanti Wildlife Sanctuary is located? Your options are A. Garyaban, B. Korba, C. Bastar and D. Narayanpur. This is a question from CGPSC Librarian 2014. So the right answer will be Udyanti Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Garyaban. Option number A. Moving on to the next question. In which district Gomadda Sanctuary is located? Look at this question carefully. Gomadda was previously located in Raigad, and now it is located in Sarangarh. So the right answer will be Gomadda Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Sarangarh. Moving on to the next question. Question number 5. In which district Options are Bijapur, Dantewada, Kabir Dham and Jashpur. I am giving you a trick for this. Bairamgarh, Bijapur there is 2 wildlife sanctuary in Bijapur. That is you ate Bija and you get high BP. You ate Bija and you get high BP. B for Bairamgarh and P for Pamer. Bairamgarh and Pamer. So the right answer will be A. Bijapur. Okay, moving on. In which district Pamer Sanctuary is located? Option A Bijapur, B Narayanpur, C Dantewada and D Sukma. So the trick is here BP and the right answer will be option number A Bijapur. Moving on. Question number 7. In which district Badal Khol Wildlife Sanctuary is located? Your options are Jashpur, Raipur, Bilaspur and Raigad. This is also repeated question from 2011 and 2009. Vyapam and CGPSC. Okay. So this is from the upper region of Chhattisgarh. This is the upper region of Chhattisgarh. And this is Surajpur, Balrampur and Jashpur. And the name of 3 wildlife sanctuary located in the same are Surajpur has Tamor Pingla, Balrampur has Semar Sot and Jashpur Badal Khol. Okay, try to remember it and trace it from map. Okay, Surajpur has Tamor Pingla, Balrampur Semar Sot, Jashpur Badal Khol. what is asking in this question? Tamor Pingla. Tamor Pingla is located in Surajpur. Surajpur, option number B. This is a question from CGPSC mains. Okay, moving on. Where is Semersooth Sanctuary is located? Semersooth, Balrampur. Option number A, Bijapur, B, Jashpur, C, Sarguja, and D, Kavardha. For Bijapur, you have read BP, Bhairamgarh and Pamed. What is a Semersooth? This is a tricky question because Balrampur is not given here and Balrampur is the correct answer. So you will try to figure out the most closest one, and the close one is Sarguja, option number C. Okay, this was asked in TET 2022. Moving on. Question number 10. The wildlife sanctuary in Balauda Bajar district of Chhattisgarh state is A, Achanakmar, B, Udyanti, C, Barnavapara, and D, Sita Nadi. This was asked in SI 2022 and 2014 CGPSC. Okay. So, बलौदा बचार डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कौन सा वन्य जीव अभयारण्य है? Your answer will be option number C, Barnavapara. Okay, बलौदा बाजार, Barnavapara. Question number 11. Which sanctuary is located in Kavardha district? कवर्धा जिले में कौन सा वन्य जीव अभयारण्य है? Your options are Bhairamgarh, Achanakmar, Bhoramdev and Pamed. For Bhairamgarh and Pamed, you ate bija already. Okay. So, your right answer will be option number 6, Bhoramdev. Kavardha में क्या है? Bhoramdev. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following pair is correctly matched? Please try to read the question carefully. Correctly matched, not correct, incorrect. So what is asked here is correctly matched. Badal Khol Surajpur, not matched. Tamor Pingla Jashpur, not matched. Gomadda Sarangarh is correctly matched. Option number C. We have seen this in previous question. Gomadda is located in Sarangarh. Bhairamgarh Bastar is not matched. This was asked in 2011. Badal Khol we have read in Jashpur. Tamor Pingla Surajpur. भैरमगढ़ बीपी हाई हुआ था कहाँ? बीजापुर में. Okay, moving on. Which of the following pair and century is correctly matched? Same question. Correctly matched. Semersooth Raigad, incorrect. Pamed बीजापुर, बीजापुर में बीपी हाई हुआ था. Pamed. उदयंती बलौदा बाजार is incorrect. Bhairamgarh Dantewada is incorrect. Udyanti is located in Garyaban. Bhairamgarh, Bijapur. So the right answer will be option number B. Moving on to the next question. Which of the pair is not correctly matched? Look at this carefully. Not correctly matched. Not. Pamed Bijapur, correct. Badal Khol Jashpur, correct. Gomadda Sarangarh, correct. Udyanti Sarguja is incorrect. And this is the correct answer because it is not correct. Udyanti is located in Garyaban. Okay, moving on to the next question. Match the following. Now you need to figure out which sanctuary is located in which district. Okay, Tamor Pingla, Gomadda, Semersooth and Badal Khol. Gomadda, Sarangarh. For B, try to find option number 1. There is only one option where B consists. Option number 1. लेकिन फिर भी आप आगे चलेंगे. बाद तमोर पिंगला, सूरजपुर, Semarsoth, Balrampur, Badalkhol, Jashpur. So the right answer will be for A 4, B 1, C 2 and D 3. Try to match all the options 4, 1, 2, 3. Your right answer will be option number A. Moving on. Okay. Match list A to list B. Century to district. Bhairamgarh, Gomadda, Tamor, Pingla and Sita Nadi. Bhairamgarh is located in Bijapur, Gomadda, Sarangarh, Tamor, Pingla, Surajpur, Sita Nadi, Dhamtari. 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. Option number 4. Your right answer will be option number 4. 4, 1, 2, 3. Next question. Question number 17. Match list A to list B. Same century to district. Sita Nadi, Barnavapara, Semarsoth and Gomadda. Gomadda, Sarangarh, Sita Nadi, Sita Dham, Dhamtari, Barnavapara. Okay. Barnavapara was previously in Mahasamund, but now it is in Baloda Bazaar. Since there is option Mahasamund only, so we'll go for Mahasamund. Semarsoth, Balrampur. Okay. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Your right answer will be 4, 3, 2, 1. Option number B. Moving on. List A to list B. Century to district. Semarsoth, Badalkhol, Gomadda, Sita Nadi. Semarsoth, Balrampur, Badalkhol, Jashpur, Gomadda, Sarangarh, Sita Dham. Okay. C, D, A and B. C, D, A and B. Option B is your right answer. This is a question from CGPSC pre-2015. Moving on. Question number 19. Which of the pair is not matched? Not matched. Read it carefully. Not matched. Okay. Tamor Pingla Surajpur. Correctly matched. Gomadda Sarangarh. Correctly matched. Pamer Bastar is incorrect. But please check the next one also. Badalkhol Jashpur. Correct. Pamer is located in Bijapur. So your right answer will be option number C. Only 3. Moving on. Okay. List A to list B. Century to district. Sita Nadi Wildlife Sanctuary, Achanakmar, Udyanti and Pamer. Okay, Sita Nadi is located in Sita Dham, Achanakmar, Mungeli, Udyanti, Garyaban and Pamer. BP हाई हुआ था बीजा खाके. Okay. 2, 4, 1 and 3. 2, 4, 1 and 3. Option number C is your correct answer. This is from ACF 2011, recently asked. Okay, moving on to the next question, because move on करना बहुत important होता है जिंदगी में. Udyanti Sanctuary is situated on the border of which state? Firstly, try to trace Udyanti is in which district. When you find the district, you will automatically figure out the state which is nearby that sanctuary. Udyanti is located in Garyaban. Garyaban. And Garyaban is right next to Odisha. Option number D. Moving on to the next question. When was Behramgarh Sanctuary established? For this question and 2-3 more question, I am giving you a trick. For Behramgarh, the year is 1983 and the trick PUB, Pamed, Udyanti and Behramgarh. Pamed, Udyanti and Behramgarh, PUBG, for year 1983. So the right answer will be 1983, option number A. Remember this trick. The year is 1983. You are playing PUBG, PUB, P for Pamed, U for Udyanti and B for Behramgarh. Okay, moving on to the next question. Pamed Sanctuary was established in year. Same year, PUBG, P for Pamed. Option is 1983. Option number C. Okay, moving on, question number 24. The year of establishment of Udyanti Sanctuary. From one trick, just by playing PUBG in 1983, you are getting 3 answers. Udyanti is established in 1983. Okay, moving on. The century built in 1975 in Chhattisgarh is 75. I am giving call BAG. BAG. B for Badal Khol. A for Achanak Maar and G for Badal Khol, अचानक मार. क्यों हिल रहा है भाई? अचानक मार, अचानक मार and G for Gomadda. Gomadda. Okay. What G? BAG. B for Badal Khol, A for Achanak Maar, G for Gomadda in 1975. Okay, so the century built in 1975 in Chhattisgarh is not BAG. B for Bar Navapara, no. B for Badal Khol, A for Achanak Maar, G for Gomadda. So your right answer will be Bar Navapara because B for Badal Khol. Okay. Question number 26. The century built in 1983. For 1983, we are playing PUBG in 1983. PUBG. P-U-B. Pamed. Pamed. U for Udyanti. B for Behramgarh. So your right answer will be option number D. Semar Sot. Okay, question number 27. The oldest century of Chhattisgarh is. Oldest century पूछा है. Option number A अचानक मार, B पामेर, C बारनवापारा and D सीता नदी. Your right answer will be D सीता नदी. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 28. The oldest century of Chhattisgarh is. Your options are A अचानक मार, B पामेर, C Barnavapara and D Bhoramdev. So your right answer will be option number A Achanak Maar. Moving on to the next question. Question number 29. The oldest century of Chhattisgarh is. Option number A Achanak Maar, B Pamed, C Barnavapara and D none of these. So your right answer will be none of these. Moving on to question number 30. Which of the following is oldest century? Your options are option number A Achanak Maar, B Pamed, C. Barnavapara, and D. None of these. So your right answer will be Achanak Mar. Which of the following? Achanak Mar. Okay, moving on. Which is the oldest century of Chhattisgarh? Option number A, Pamed, B, Sita Nadi, C, Gomadda, or D, Semersot. So the right answer will be option number B, Sita Nadi. Okay, moving on to the next question. Barnavapara Wildlife Sanctuary in Chhattisgarh is named after whom? Your options are option number A, Forest Village, option number B, river flowing through the sanctuary, option number C, tribal leader who fought against the Britishers, or option number D, social worker who promoted afforestation. So, Barnavapara was named after a forest village, option number A. Moving on to the next question. Udyanti Wildlife Sanctuary was primarily built to protect. उद्यंती अभयारण्य किसे प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए बनाया गया था? पीकॉक, वाइल्ड बफेलो, वाइल्ड बोर और कॉकटोज. So the option number B, wild buffalo, is right answer. It was made to protect wild buffalo. Moving on. Where was the Indian mouse deer found recently in this state? Indian mouse deer कहाँ पाया गया है? Your options are in the forest of Sarguja, Bastar, Gariyaband और Kavarda. So, Indian mouse deer was found in Gariyaband. In which wildlife sanctuary? Udyanti. Okay. It was asked in CGPSC 2018 Vyapam, sorry. Moving on, question number 35. Which wild animal has been specially protected in Udyanti? कौन सा वन्य जीव विशेष रूप से संरक्षित किया गया था उद्यंती में? योर ऑप्शंस आर लेपर्ड, सांभर, टाइगर और wild buffalo. We have seen this same question previously. So the right answer will be option number D, wild buffalo. Moving on. In which century are maximum monkeys in CG? Maximum number of monkeys कौन से वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी में पाए जाते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर बादलखोल, तमोर पिंगला, बारनवापारा एंड अचानक मार. So your right answer will be for this same question Barnavapara, option number C. Maximum number of monkeys are found in Barnavapara. Moving on. Maximum number of wild buffalo are found in. Wild buffalo हमने क्या पढ़ा है? सीता नदी, उद्यंती, सेमरसोत और बारनवापारा. उद्यंती. It was especially protected in Udyanti. Okay. Question number 38. In which century maximum number of tigers are found? Maximum number of tigers. सीता नदी, उद्यंती, अचानकमार और सेमरसोत. Your right answer will be option number C, अचानकमार. अचानकमार is a tiger reserve. Tigers are found in अचानकमार. Tiger अचानक से आ जाता ना, अचानकमार. Okay. Question number 39. What is the name of the clone replica of the state animal of this state wild buffalo which is Udyanti sanctuary? Okay. इस राज्य के राजकीय पशु वन भैंसा की क्लोन प्रजाति का नाम पूछा है. योर ऑप्शंस आर आशादीप, दीपांकर, दीपा आशा एंड दीपाली. So the right answer will be option number C, Deepa Asha. Moving on. To whom was the name Deepa Asha given recently in the state? Female lion cub born in Nandanvan. Option B, female wild buffalo calf born in Udyanti. Option C, new lizard species found in Kutumsar caves. Or option D, rare heel myna seen in Dantewada. The right answer will be the clone is wild buffalo calf in Udyanti. They were specially protected. So your right answer will be option number B. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Question number 41. Asha Deep project Same question, Ashadeep for wild buffalo. Ashadeep project is in Chhattisgarh is related to. Your options are conservation of bear, conservation of crocodile, conservation of elephant, or conservation of wild buffalo. It was asked in TET TET 2014 last year. Your right answer will be conservation of wild buffalo. Moving on to the next question, where was the new species of gecko found? गेको की नई प्रजाति कहाँ पाई जाती है? योर ऑप्शंस आर भोरमदेव वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, अचानक मार वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, भैरमगढ़ वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी और तमोर पिंगला वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. गेको की प्रजाति कहाँ पाई जाती है? योर राइट आंसर विल बी भोरमदेव, ऑप्शन नंबर ए. गेको की प्रजाति कहाँ पाई जाती है? भोरमदेव में. Moving on to the next question. Your next question is, which is the largest sanctuary of Chhattisgarh? Your options are option number A Sita Nadi, option B Achanakmar, option C Bar Namapara, and option D Tamor Pingla. So your right answer will be the largest sanctuary of Chhattisgarh is Tamor Pingla, option number D. This is a question from CGPSC NNRI 2018, 2014, 2008. Frequently asked and important question. Moving on to the next question. Which is the largest sanctuary of Chhattisgarh? Your options are A Sita Nadi, B Achanakmar, C Barnavapara and D Gomadda. Which is the largest sanctuary of Chhattisgarh? यहाँ पे हमको ऑप्शन के अकॉर्डिंग चलना पड़ेगा. So the right answer will be A Sita Nadi. Moving on to the next question. Which is the largest sanctuary of Chhattisgarh? Which is the largest sanctuary of Chhattisgarh? Your options are A Sita Nadi, B Achanakmar, C Barnavapara and D none of these. Since none of these is mentioned here, we will go with none of these. Moving on to the next question. Question number 46. Which one of the following sanctuary is the largest? Your options are A Pamer, B Barnavapara, C Udyanti and D Sita Nadi. Your right answer will be D Sita Nadi. CGPSC ABO 2013 का question है ये. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following sanctuary is the largest? Which one is the largest? Option number A Pamer, B Barnavapara, C Achanakmar and D Bhairamgarh. We'll go again with the option and your right answer will be option number C Achanakmar. This is also asked in CGPSC 2019. Moving on, question number 48. The smallest sanctuary of Chhattisgarh is. स्मॉलेस्ट सेंचुरी पूछा गया, सबसे छोटा अभ्यारण्य. योर ऑप्शंस आर बादलखोल, तमोर पिंगला, सीता नदी एंड उदयंती. क्या है सबसे छोटा अभ्यारण्य? ऑप्शन नंबर ए बादलखोल. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन सीता नदी फॉरेस्ट सेंचुरी डैश रिजर्वायर इज सिचुएटेड. ऑप्शन नंबर ए सोंढूर, B Arjuni, C Kodar and D Bhainsajar. Your right answer will be A Sondhur. Moving on to the next question. The famous Turturia ashram of Chhattisgarh state is situated in middle of which wildlife sanctuary? Your options are A Udyanti, B Barnamapara, C Sita Nadi and D Indravati. तुरतुरिया आश्रम कहाँ स्थित है? योर राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर बी बार नवापारा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस सेशन. इन विच स्टेट सीता नदी वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी सिचुएटेड? सीता नदी वन्यजीव अभ्यारण्य किस प्रदेश में है? योर ऑप्शंस आर ए बिहार, बी झारखंड, सी छत्तीसगढ़ एंड डी नन ऑफ दीज. कहाँ स्थित है? छत्तीसगढ़. असिस्टेंट टीचर में पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन है ये. मूविंग ऑन. योर लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर दिस सेशन इज which tree is found in abundance in Sita Nadi river? Your options are bamboo, teak, mahua and the sal. Since we have read Sita Nadi as Sita Dham, Dhamtari, and Dhamtari is consist of sal tree. Okay, so the right answer will be D. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.